Let's have a look at question 16 in this video. So we want to estimate the causal effect of education on body mass index. For that, we're having this regression over here where BMI is the dependent variable. The independent variables are education, the gender, the age, and a certain constant. We also can see here that the joint effect of these variables, so the p-value of the f-test on joint significance is significant, so it's lower than the 5% significance level. Now, which of the following conclusions can you not take from the results? Let's check part A. According to the model, the average BMI of women aged 55 with 13 years of education is 0.328 units lower than of women aged 55 with 11 years of education. So we have here the regression written underneath, and let's see how we can compare the results. Now we're dealing with women, so the dummy variable is going to take the value of 1 in both cases, in both regressions. So 1, 1. What we're dealing, the only difference is the years of education. So 13 years of education versus 11 years of education. Now, what they say is that the women with 55, and the age is the same, 55 years old with 13 years of education, 55 years old with 11 years of education, so the age stays the same over here, meaning that's not going to have any effect. The gender is not going to have any effect, but the education, there's a difference in the number of years, so that's going to have an effect. And we can see that the more education the people have, the lower the body mass index. They probably have better education about nutrition, so they eat better. It's a logical explanation. Minus 0.164 stays for the decrease in the BMI with 1 extra year of education. Since the difference over here is 2 years of education, the change, the effect on the BMI is going to be 2 times minus 0.164. So 2 times minus 0.164 is going to be equal to minus 0.328. So the BMI of the first person, the woman with 55 years old, 13 years of education, is 0.328 units lower than the next woman, which is 55 years old with 11 years of education. That's what the data tells us. That's the result on average. They tell us that this is the average result. So yes, this is true. We can take this conclusion. In the next video, we're going to go to part B and also discuss it based on this regression.